Chapter 5, Lesson 2, Solving Equations with Variables on Each Side. Okay, so before you begin solving, make sure you simplify, which means you should have no parentheses in your equation, and you should combine any like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. And then second, if you have like terms on different sides of the equal sign, you need to move all of your variables to the same side. And a little hint that goes with that, if you choose the smallest variables or the negative variables to move, it'll help to keep more of your numbers positive. This isn't the only way you can get the right answer, but it does help sometimes make your equation easier. Okay, so let's look at some examples. 7x plus 8 equals 4x minus 10. So I have a 7x here and a 4x here, so I need to move them to the same side. So they're both positive. I'm going to choose the smaller one. So to get rid of 4x, I subtract 4x on both sides. That gets rid of it here. And I have left 3x plus 8 minus equals negative 10. And then I'm going to subtract that 8 on both sides, which gets rid of the plus 8. 3x equals negative 18. Divide by 3. And x equals negative 6. Now I can check this by plugging it back in and saying 7 times negative 6 plus 8 equals 4 times negative 6 minus 10. And evaluate both sides. Negative 42 plus 8, which is negative 34. And see if that equals negative 24 minus 10, and that is also negative 34. Okay, let's look at another example. I have 2x. And I have 3x, so I'm going to get rid of the 2x because it's smaller by subtracting 2x on both sides. And I have 3 equals 1x, or I can just put x minus 2. And now only a one-step equation, add 2, 5 equals x. And again, I can kind of do this mentally to check it. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I'm just going to jot down, I have 13 over here. And over here I have 3 times 5 is 15 minus 2, and that also gives me 13. And our last example, I have 5m and m. So I'm going to subtract my m because that's like a 1m to get rid of it. And I subtract a 1m over here. So I have 4m plus 15 equals negative 49. Subtract 15 on both sides, and 4m equals negative 64. Divide both sides by 4, and m equals negative 16.